This kanji have two reading sound as you see here. Onyomi reading read like hong, hong, and the kunyomi reading read like moto, moto. And this kanji have the meaning like as you see here. The first meaning is book, present, true, counter for long side cylindrical things. That means every kanji in Japanese it have many meaning in itself. So when you use this kanji with another kanji to make the compound word, that the meaning of kanji will change to you change according to the that word or depend to that word. So that means when you learn the Japanese kanji, you have to remember each meaning of the kanji and the reading sound such as onyomi reading and kunyomi reading. So when you read the Japanese magazine or Japanese book, you will understand the meaning and the reading or the pronunciation of each kanji. And in here we also have the word of this kanji. Hong. Hong. Hong is mean book. If you just see only one of this kanji, you can read like hong and it have the meaning that book. Nihong. Nihong. Nihong is mean Japan. Nihong is mean Japan, and why they use this kanji? You see that the Japan country will be like the side, the thing that is long, right? So the thing that have the shape like the long thing, they will use the kanji of hong. And why they use the kanji of ni or the he, nichi or he? Because the Japan country located in the east, so the sun will rise in that. So in the past they see that the Japan country is located in the east, and the shape of the country is look like the long thing, so they use the kanji of nihong. Ni or nichi is from the sun, so it means that with the sun and the long country. So they use this kanji. Honki. Honki. Honki is mean seriousness or earnestness or the truth. Ki is mean the mind or your heart or your mindset. Hong is mean the truth of your heart. So that means when you you do something and you don't use your honki, or you don't use your something serious from your mind, so maybe that thing will not successful. So in Japan you can use honki o dashimasu, honki de yarimasu. Honki de yarimasu is mean I will do it seriously, or you will do it from your bottom half. So for example, when you apply for the examination and the first time you fail, and the second you say that okay, I will do it from my heart, my mind. So you can say honki de yarimasu, honki de shiken o okemasu, which means I will apply by my heart. Honne. Honne. Honne is mean real intention or the true opinion of what one person really thinks about. Hong is mean the thing, right? So honne, ne is mean your yourself. So honne is mean that are the truth from your mouth, from your mind, from your heart, from your brain. So this means the true opinion. So is the something that is really from your heart or your mind and your intention. So in Japan you can say honne. For example, you can say honne de yute kudasai. Honne de yute kudasai, which means please say the truth or please say what really from your heart. So you can say honne de yute kudasai. Honto. Honto is mean the truth or the reality. Each one is maybe this word you will always heard when you speak with Japanese or when your friends, for example, they will say like honto desu ka? Honto ni? Something like this. Honto ni, which means really? Is this true? Honto ni? Honto desu ka? Honto desu ka is mean is this that reality or is this that true? Something like this. Kihon is mean basics or fundamentals. This word is mean the basics thing. For example, 基本的な考え方 which mean the basic of thinking. 基本的な考え方 the basis of thinking. So this word we use for something that be the basics. 大元 is mean the root or the original or the start. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. If you have any question, please comment below and I'll be happy to answer your question. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please help me subscribe my channel. I hope to see you about learning Japanese kanji in the next video clip. ありがとうございました。